There are so many ambivalent emotions that can hit a partner while a mom is pregnant. And a lot of times, because the focus is on the pregnant women, these emotions of the partner are ignored. Hello, moms and dads, and welcome back to Nurse Onyi Teaches. My name is Onyinye, and today I will discuss a topic that is frequently overlooked in the maternity space. But before I get into it, make sure you hit the subscribe button, turn on your notification bell so that you are made aware of every time I upload a video. Now, when a woman first gets pregnant, she immediately becomes the focus of attention. And rightfully so, because she is the one carrying the baby. A lot of times she's dealing with some symptoms that her body just does not know what to do with, especially if this is her first pregnancy. But that does not mean that partners don't have their share of woes when pregnancy is concerned too. In fact, did you know that there is a correct terminology for the signs and symptoms that partners deal with while a woman is pregnant? Yes, that word is known as KUVAD. Right here, and it covers an umbrella of symptoms such as nausea and vomiting. Yes, some men do vomit when their wives are pregnant or their partners are pregnant. It can also involve sleepiness, extreme fatigue. These individuals can experience sleeplessness, and they can also deal with weight gain. Now, these are some of the physical signs and symptoms that a partner may deal with, but there are some emotional signs and symptoms that they can encounter as well. And that includes jealousy and anger. You say jealousy? Yes. Sometimes a partner may feel that the attention that is being given to their spouse or significant other is unfair because they feel completely removed from the picture and the focus is given to the pregnant woman. Now, as I previously said, the pregnant woman is the one carrying the child, so she does need a lot more attention given to her, but that does not mean that the partner should be ignored. The partner also needs their attention during these wonderful months and the experiences that pregnancy brings along with it. Now, a partner can feel anger, especially if the pregnancy was not planned. There are so many situations where partners or couples may have a lot of children already, or there may be financial constraint, and they just feel like a baby brings an additional stress that they are not prepared to deal with. Partners can also feel ambivalence where 1 second they are very happy, they are thrilled, even if it's their first baby or the 100th baby. They can feel thrilled that, yes, we are pregnant, this is new life, this is a great opportunity to expand our family. And the very next second or next moment, they are dealing with fear, they are dealing with concerns. Partners frequently have to keep in mind that a new baby means greater financial need, greater resource need. Things like, how is this baby going to be cared for? Do we have enough to pay for daycare? How soon can mom return to work, or can mom stay home and care for this baby effectively? There are so many ambivalent emotions that can hit a partner while a mom is pregnant. And a lot of times, because the focus is on the pregnant women, these emotions of the partner are ignored. Because of this, a lot of partners do not want to infringe on a pregnant woman's emotional state. So they tend to want to deal with the way they are feeling in silence. You see them scramble to the bathroom and you ask them, what's wrong? They say, nothing is wrong, I'm okay. Some things that can be done to make sure the partner feels included during the pregnancy process includes open communication. This is effective whether or not a woman is pregnant. The more communication a couple shares, the less misunderstanding there is between them. If you are feeling insecure, feeling hurt, feeling anger, it may help to share these feelings with your partner. If you feel as though it may become a heated exchange, involve some respected loved ones. Get their input on how they handled the situation when it was unfavorable, or just simply ask for advice on how you can best manage the newness of pregnancy and some of the emotional tops and turns that accompany it. You can also go shopping together. Shopping is a great way to relieve stress if you have funds. Now, don't go shopping with money you don't have, okay? It's also important to budget. But shopping is a way to deal with some of the emotional stresses that accompany pregnancy. Go baby shopping together. That is a great way to manage many of the stresses that come with pregnancy. It's also a great way to make sure your partner stays within the budget so that does not cause a new disagreement. When you bring these items home, help your partner to decorate the nursery. It's a good way for you to feel included in the process that's going on. And then you can also buy something special for one another. This is not just about baby. Yes, baby is a wonderful contribution to your growing family, but remember that you and your partner existed before this baby came along. So a nice way for a partner to feel included in the process, pregnant mom, is for you to buy them something nice, something that is unique to their desire, to make them feel appreciated, to make them feel included in this pregnancy process. Okay? You can also go to the prenatal classes together. When you attend prenatal or antenatal classes together, you are better able to understand the changes that are occurring in your partner's body. And when you understand, you can be of help in a more effective way. Helping your partner through the pregnancy process and through labor and delivery is a great way for you to feel connected with the process. And then I've heard fathers say, you may be the one carrying the baby in the womb, but I'm carrying the both of you. And that gives a man such a great sense of accomplishment. It gives partners a way to feel that they may not be intimately involved with the intricacies of, building the baby's blocks and making sure DNA lines up with DNA, but that they are a valued contributor and involved person in this pregnancy process. Beyond attending prenatal classes, it is very important to remember to date your partner during the pregnancy process. Go on a date, go on a picnic, go for a walk, exercise together. Couples who spend time together understand one another in a more intimate, more profound manner. When you spend time together, you begin to communicate your parenting preferences so that when baby gets here, you all are a united force on how best to care for your little one. I certainly hope that couples and partners can use this beautiful opportunity as a time to grow together, to learn more about one another. Don't miss out on the opportunity to capitalize and grow your relationship during this pregnancy, because chances are when baby arrives, your attention will shift to the needs of the baby and not so much readily on one another. When you have spent the pregnancy period building a strong connection and bond, then you both can better understand the needs of one another and contribute to the needs of the baby. I hope you all have learned something valuable about appreciating your partner in the content of this video. If you know anyone who this can help, do not fail to share it with them. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on your notification bell, and come along with me as we build this community of learners. I wish you all a safe, healthy, and happy pregnancy, and I wish your partners a great amount of satisfaction in their level of involvement. Until the next time, be blessed.